Hi there, my name is Sam and today we're excited to announce the multi-tier card reward bar. And in this video, I will go over everything that's new. Within the layer panel, under the insert panel and elements, we can find the new multi-tier reward bar element. So let's drag it onto the canvas right here and let's zoom in a little bit. And as you can see with this preset element, there are now two different rewards that customers can unlock. I will cover how this element works in a little bit, but of course, besides this element, there are a couple of new templates you can choose that have the multi-tier reward bar built in. For example, this template right here with two different rewards and a nice design. When we unlock the first reward, which is a 20% discount in this case, you can see that some things have changed. We have an active label right here, basically saying that we have unlocked this discount, and we can also do it for the free shipping. Just a very nice template that you can also start to customize. And here we have yet another nice template with the multi-tier reward bar implemented with 4 different rewards in this case. And again, this is just a starting point and you can then customize it to your liking. But now let's focus on the foundations with the preset element. The card reward layer is selected, as you can see in the layer panel. And if we focus on the right side, we can add our new rewards right here. You simply click on add reward, and then we can customize, in this case, the third reward. Let's say that this reward unlocks a free gift. We look for the right icon, a gift icon, and now it will unlock at $180. We just created 3 different rewards. We can create more, we can create less, we can customize anything we want. But what is super important when building your card with an instant is that these discounts or gifts right here match with the discounts that you've created within your Shopify store. So when we take a look at my Shopify store, I have 3 discounts that I would like to use for the card drawer. First of all, unlocking free shipping at $30. Then we have a 15% discount at $60 and a free gift at $100. So let's make sure this actually matches. So currently the free shipping is set to $99. Let's change it to $30. And what you might have seen is that the icon of the truck moved along this progress bar. And that's because the location or the placement of this icon of this discount or reward is determined on the amount at which you will unlock it. So now let's change this second tier to a 15% discount, which we can unlock at $60. And right there, the placement has changed. And then last but not least, the free gift at $100. And again, all the placements have changed. So it makes sense with how you move along with adding more products to your cart and increasing your cart value. Another thing that's new is this label right here. We have 2 new dynamic text elements. And as we scroll down to the text style on the right, you can see the elements right here. We have current tier name and next tier name as dynamic elements. And we can see the workings of that right here. So currently none of the rewards are unlocked. So it says shop $30 more for free shipping. But what happens when free shipping is unlocked? Well, then it will dynamically showcase the next tier because that is the dynamic text value that we have connected it to. So right now it says shop $30 more for a 15% discount. And then when we unlock another one, it will say shop $40 more for the free gift. And of course, we already had this, but then we get a new text, which is the success text that you can also customize. And that's it for the fundamentals of this new multi-tier card reward bar. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel and socials for more tutorials that will drop around this new and exciting feature. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.